day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Gina Lim Canta, 41 years old, married, and I have 3 kids, ages 8, 11, and 20 years old. Living at Andabuen Benito Sullivan, Isabela. I have 4 sisters. I am the 4th child of the family. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in English.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have an experience as domestic helper here in the Philippines for almost 2 years. I serve 1 couple and 3 children, ages 4 months old, 10, and 5 years old, sir. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and taking care of the children.
Oh,
I have also an experience as teachers here in the Philippines for almost 5 years. I teach children, sir.
okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am always secure the safety of the children. When the children is sick, I will check the temperature. When the children is sick, I will call my employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, patient, and responsible, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I need to earn some money for the future of my children, sir.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my grandmother-in-law, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I need to focus my work, sir. And I need to remind that this job is very important to me.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 p.m. when my work is done, and I wake at 4 a.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I need to be patient and calmness to deal with them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visit the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, little Indian, 10 little Indian boys.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir and ma'am. I hope you choose me as your helper because I need work. I am a hardworking, patient, and responsible person. And I promise I will do my best to serve your family, sir. Thank you, and God bless us all.